Hi guys, my name is Taha and I'm gonna tell you 4 things about green-cheeked conures. Number 1. In general, green-cheeked conures are quieter than other conures. Number 2. Green-cheeked conures need plenty of socialization to avoid behavioral problems like napping. Number 3. Green-cheeked conures have big bird personalities. Being one of the most smaller conures, these birds share many traits with bigger parrot species. They are intelligent and are capable of learning multiple tricks. They are not especially good talkers, but can learn some speech. Number 4. Green-cheeked conures can be cuddly. It's important to keep in mind that every individual bird is different. Generally, though, these conures are regarded as affectionate companions. Many enjoy petting and tolerate handling. Some will even snuggle up against your neck or cheek. These birds want to be with you and need hours of interaction every day. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.